How to fix Instagram music, no result found on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just type here Instagram, click on it. Now just see if there's here any update, and if you can't find any update and that doesn't fix your problem, then let's move to the next step. Now turn off your Wi-Fi and restart your phone and open Instagram, turn it on again, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, go to settings, scroll down until you find battery, make sure power saving mode is disabled, then go to apps again, type Instagram and click on it. Now click force stop and go back, try again. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.